Hi, this is Mete from codingmac.com, and here's the fourth part of our video series, which is titled What's New in SharePoint 2016. And let's have a look at the previous videos. In the first part, we have seen the roadmap of and strategy towards releasing SharePoint 2016. And in part 2, we have seen the removed and unchanged features. In part 3, I have demonstrated the minerals structure in SharePoint 2016. In part 4, I will now show you the fast site creation feature which was introduced and which is actually going to be introduced in the RTM version of 2016. So how this structure works is like in the following picture. We need to first know the workflow to be that we will execute for creating a site in a fast manner. So the first step is we need to enable fast site creation for a site template. So here in the example, I gave the theme site template, which is STS 0, and first we need to enable this site template for fast site creation, and then after enabling fast site creation for this template, we need to create a new master site in a content DB. So for each site template and for each content DB that we are going to use for fast site creation, we need to do that. And as the last step, we need to create a new site from the master that we have defined for this site template and for this content database. So let me show you these steps in a more concrete structure as a PowerShell script, and let me show you how the final product, the final created site is. So this is the original site that I will mark as a master site in the content DB. Then I will create the new site from this one with the fast site creation thing. Sorry, I need to be yeah, now I'm in the correct place. So this is the first step. So we are enabling the theme site template to be used as a template as a master site, and we are setting the compatibility level to a minimum to SharePoint 2013. Then what we are doing is we are getting the database, the content database that it's installed on, and here we are on the second step. Now we are creating the new creating a new site master in the content DB that this site collection is located on for the theme site template. Then finally, in the third step, we are creating a new site collection, on this URL from the theme site template which was enabled in the first step on this content database, this compatibility level SharePoint 2013, and with that parameter, I'm specifying that I will be creating this site from the master that I've created in the previous step, and this is the owner of the new site collection. So what this one does is basically instead of creating a site from a template, so it creates a new site collection from the template site, which is the root site of a site collection. It creates a new instance by using that template, and it creates the feature associations, the states of the features in that site and site collection, depending on the states of the ones in the previous site or site collection. So here's the executed steps in management shell. Unfortunately, some of the steps take time, so I previously executed them. I first executed the first step, then I got the DB, then I set the new site master in this contact database, and finally I created the new SP site here, and it says 100%, and I created this under site/myfastsite2. So this is the final product. As you can see, the content of the first site is not copied, but its structure as for features is copied. However, when I first heard the name fast site creation, I expected something like something that copies the content or copies the site hierarchy with the site collection. But what I faced with was a system which doesn't seem very much useful for me at the moment. But after the RTM version gets released, or after we have more documentation about it, maybe I can see more practical usage scenarios. So Microsoft claims this is a result of their experience in the cloud, and this is a performance effective way of creating a new site or a new site collection. But we will see how it works out in on-premises environments. Maybe it's a pretty good solution for the cloud for them, but we will see how it works out for on-premises environments. Yeah, so that was all about today's video. So as always, please visit codicmac.com for other coverage and related videos and links about the videos, and see you in the next part of the video series. Bye bye.